Hi guys, Wolfer90 here, and tonight I have a Holmes box fan. It is a little 8-inch box fan. As you can tell, I could get an extra 2 inches of blade in there. That's just ridiculous. I washed it up a little because it sat in storage for a while. But we'll start out on low. Moves a little air, you know. Not very much, but it moves a little. Alright, we'll try high. Not bad. Not bad for what it is. This is just a little quickie video. Because there ain't really much detail about this fan. It's just a little box fan. Holmes Product Corp, Milford, Massachusetts, 01757. Serviced in USA, model number HABF-110, 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.8 amps. URL listed. It's a nice little box fan for what it is. I mean, it's not going to be all that, but you get the idea. And this is Wolfer90 out. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a lot of fun to do and a lot of fun to make. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, and Skype as Logan Wolfie. There you'll see a lot of drawings and photos that I do, and we'll go for there. So, have a good one, y'all.